Long-run equilibrium occurs only when price is the minimum average total cost. We are, of course, assuming that average total cost includes all explicit and implicit cost, including a normal rate of return for the owners. Whenever price is greater than the minimum average total cost, firms earn positive economic profit and entry occurs. Whenever price is less than the minimum average total cost, firms earn negative economic profit and exit occurs. Let's look at this pair of graphs to talk about what's happening. I've got a pair of graphs side by side. The left panel shows the market. It shows the market demand curve and the short-run supply curve for the product. The quantity is a big number. This might be millions or billions. The right-hand side shows the graph for the typical firm. It's the quantity of the firm, and we measure price in other dollars on the vertical axis. Now, the supply and demand in the market determines the market price. P1 is the market price in this situation. That means that the firm's demand curve, or the demand curve faced by the firm, is a horizontal line at P1. This horizontal line is the demand and the marginal revenue facing the firm. I've drawn it so that the price P1 is just equal to the minimum average total cost. So that means that the demand curve comes along and just touches average total cost at the bottom of the average total cost curve. The demand curve is tangent to average total cost at that minimum point. That point of tangency occurs at QF. A lot of things are running through the point P1 QF. We've got marginal cost. We've got the demand. We've got marginal revenue, and we've got average total cost. Marginal cost must intersect the average total cost curve at the minimum average total cost. When the demand curve just touches average total cost at that minimum, that means that the demand curve must intersect marginal cost at that very same quantity, QF. And also, since price and marginal revenue are the same, the marginal revenue equals marginal cost equals price equals average total cost at QF. QF maximizes profit because that's where price and marginal revenue equals marginal cost. But the profit the firm is earning is equal to zero because at that quantity, price equals average total cost. So in the long run, price equals average total cost, and the owners earn exactly a normal rate of return.